In front of me is Sony Xperia 10 Mark VI, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on and use keyboard Clipboard. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on the Clipboard icon at the top of it. Now use this switcher at the top right corner to activate it, and this arrow at the top left one to go back to standard keyboard. Finally, to use Clipboard, you need to copy or cut any text and paste it right away by clicking on it at the top of your keyboard, or by clicking on Clipboard and clicking on it here. In order to pin it, you need to tap on this pen at the top right corner, click on your added sentence or a word, and use pin icon. You can unpin it the same way. To delete it though, tap on the pen, select a sentence or a word, and then use this pin next to the pin. Lastly, to disable Clipboard completely, use the same switcher as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!